Now let's put consonants and vowels together. In Hangul, a syllable is written inside a square block. Think of this block as a place to combine consonants and vowels. Inside the block, there are 3 fixed spots for consonants and vowels. The initial position is always a consonant written on the left or at the top. The vowel goes in a medial position, placed on the right or in the center. The last spot is called the final and only consonants can go there. This spot may be filled or it may stay empty. Now let's see how each syllable sounds as one inside the block. There are 4 types of syllable combinations. If ian is the initial position, it makes no sound. Read directly from the vowel in the medial position, 우유, I, 오이. Second, consonant plus vowel. Read it in order from the initial to the medial. Like reading left to right, top to bottom. 가수, 노래, 하다. Third is vowel plus consonant. The initial ian is silent, so you only read the medial vowel and the final consonant. 오, 앞, 일. Did you notice the final sound isn't really s or p? There's a secret hiding there. You will uncover it soon. Fourth, consonant, vowel, consonant. Always read it in order. 한글, 학습, 집중. Thanks for coming back. Let's keep learning Korean together. Next time, we will learn about 받침, the secret behind the final sound. Bye bye.